Princess and the Bear here. Be sure to subscribe. Right now, you have to park on the side to get into the tower.
I mean, you don't have to park on the side. They have a front parking lot, but it's like 30-minute parking only, really. And, I mean, the check-in for all of Coronado is now in Destino Tower. So, I mean, you're checking in here, but, like, there's still parking in front of your individual room, like, buildings, if you're not staying in the tower. So there are other places. You just might have to drive for a bit.
There's still construction going on.
The place still needs a couple finishing touches. As you can see from the leaking water, like there are gutters like all around the outside of this awning, but the water is coming down everywhere but the gutters. It's weird.
They weren't ready for the rain when they opened this tower. And we just happened to arrive on a rainy day.
This lobby though.
Yeah, the entrance is gorgeous. It's definitely Instagrammable. The smell is amazing. The roof is beautiful. There was this weird light flickering thing.
What they need to do is they need to figure out this check-in process, because right here, this is like empty when we came in, basically, but the entire rest of our stay, there was a line back to the door. It's just so crowded.
They should have kept both check-in areas open, honestly. I get trying to get people to go into the tower, but they shouldn't have done that.
This area over here, I'm not really sure what this area over here is for yet. And this front area is a lounge area, but back behind there, there's like tables for you to kind of sit, but there's not a lot of chairs. There's like plug-in things, and
It's like
I
to
saw
work.
them like mobile, like when it's crowded, they'll bring out employees with tablets to check you in, so you don't have to wait in the line, but it's all just kind of a mess right now. And these are great, but as you can see, they are super laggy.
But they're full touchscreen, so that's nice.
Wait for it, 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 wait for it. There you go.
Still nice.
Space elevators.
So you hit the button, and then it tells you which elevator letter to go to and what number stop you are.
They're beautiful elevators, though.
They are.
And you just kind of sit there. Wait. Maybe see a couple confused people walk in and wonder why there's no buttons in it.
Now, a little side screen will tell you where you're going to stop. I'm excited.
You got this little like outside walking area / path, like that's astroturf in the middle, not real grass, so you see people like sitting and picnicking out there. Here you actually have a smoking area. Not so mean here out there at the other resorts. This place is a little odd, so I guess it's a smoking area. And you walk in here, and I thought it was going to be like a grab and go, but these are actually more conference rooms, and there's just a random fridge. This is like the boardroom area?
And now it's time for cooking with the princess. Ah. I want to cook there.
Here it's just like there's still construction and stuff everywhere. Holes in the doors not cleaned up yet. They're still like putting the finishing touches on it. That's why I felt like this place needed like another roof.
There's no photos or paintings or anything on the wall, so this walkway echoes really bad.
Yeah, this walkway going the other direction actually is like how you get to Mercado now, and the old check-in. So you can walk all the way there covered, then go outside, walk there and see. Because the hallway just looks like a plain hallway, unless you pay attention to the signs, you're not really going to realize what you're doing.
Now we're gonna go in the elevator. Notice the screen on the side. This is how you know where your elevator is going, because there is no buttons in the elevator.
AKA the space elevator.
Space elevator.
It's a pretty elevator though.
Yeah. Of course, the elevators talk to you. Mickey's everywhere. And also Instagram walls everywhere.
The details are there. This hallway you were talking about. Not a bad walk. I mean, you're walking through it.
Just echo.
It's the plain door. There is, if you turn all the way around and look back up at the wall, a tiny little Mickey. This is a nice space.
Hello everyone, Princess and the Bear here, and we're in our final day checking out at
The Gran Destino Tower.
Gran Destino Tower. So we spent the last 2 days, or 3 days, 2 nights here.
It's been a great weekend.
And this hotel, tower, edition, whatever they want to call it, is gorgeous.
It really is. The rooms are nice. Our first day was kind of a mess up. There's a lot of issues with Disney, but of course, you know, they went above and beyond to try and rectify those issues, so that was nice.
It's a new tower, so there's some bugs that are ironing out. There's some things that aren't 100% finished, but overall, the place works well, and it's pretty. It's one of the most comfortable resorts we stayed in. It's one of the most up-to-date technology-wise.
And it's moderate.
Yes, the elevator's so confusing though. So confusing.
For some, it's been a learning experience for everybody, which has been awesome, I think.
We did okay, but I mean, I've had to help a couple people in the elevator.
Yeah, me too.
But, you know, whatever. You do what you do.
Yeah, but it was great.
You stay here again?
I would totally. We're going to be back here in August for Galaxy's Edge, and I think I'm going to upgrade it for the tower, because it's worth it.
It's just easier.
Yeah.
No having to walk around the whole resort. You got 2 bars in here, and 1 restaurant?
Yes.
Yeah, so hopefully by then they will open the other grab and go. Looks like they're going to have another one.
Yeah.
And everything's a bit more cleaned up. But they got a couple months, so I think we'll do it.
Yeah.
Well, until next time.
Be sure to subscribe.
You heard the rule.